Is not it?
Oh, come on, man. It's fine. Microwave will kill the germs. How do I open this? How the fuck do I open this door?
Here, we got pressed. You got to put a mask up. You got prepped.
Well, I'm about to eat, bro. Put a mask on right now. I'm literally about to eat. How the fuck do I open this microwave? Hold on. Am I fucking stupid?
Really?
Well, there's no button. I don't. Hold on.
No, here, I'm good. Here. No, the first one, here. Right there. That's it.
So how do I?
Don't put it too late.
How do I open it?
Just pull it.
Just pull it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I literally tried that. Did not work.
Here, don't put it right there.